description.
Alright, hey, it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I'm joined by my son Miles. How you doing?
Good.
Good. We are going to do a mukbang today. And what are we doing? We're gonna do
crab.
It's crab. It's Pupad Pong? Pupad Pong?
Yeah, I'm not sure what that is.
It's curry crab, yellow curry crab. Yeah. And this came by way of the Fat Hipster. Thanks, dude. I really appreciate it. It's, as you can see from this, it's all in Korean. Not available in the United States. I can't tell you. I mean, if you're like, oh, wow, I want to try that. I'm just going to go down to my H Mart and get something. You're not going to get it at H Mart, fool. They don't have it there. So, that's just the deal. Sorry. I've had people get mad because I review stuff that isn't readily available to them. And it's like, I'm not a distributor. All I do is try stuff. And when people send me stuff that's hard to get, I review it. And it's fun. So, you can chillax a little on that. Right? I mean, yeah. So anyways, this one, the instructions mention microwaving it. So we microwave it for 3 minutes at 1,000 watts. That should be interesting.
Yes.
So that's what we're going to do. Because that is what we do. So... And there it goes. So how's your day going?
Good.
Yeah, I got a new record. I got Disco for Kids, and Miles just tried the Disco for Kids. How was that?
It was good. I liked that record.
Yeah, it was kind of weird. Definitely kind of weird.
Yeah, and then I clapped.
Yeah, I kept yelling at you to clap, and he clapped, so yeah.
That's cool.
Just clapping and discoing for kids.
Yeah.
And you're a kid.
I'm a kid.
I'm a kid too.
You're a grown-up.
No. I might look like a grown-up, but I'm a kid.
Aw.
Yeah. So yeah. Just went out, got the Disco for Kids record and a couple others at the thrift store, and then went to the grocery store to get 2 things to add into our part we're doing now. When we do the mukbang, I'll be taking all that off because yeah, you wouldn't like the stuff I'm adding on.
No.
But yeah, I got imitation crab because real crab is stupid expensive. Like a little can of crab is like $10.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
That's like really a lot.
Imagine going to a store that has crab and then it has $10.
Yeah.
And then this is me.
Yeah. Well, you've been to
Surprise.
stores that crab's like $10.
Yeah.
I've seen canned crab going for 15 or 18 bucks before.
Holy.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
You know where you can find crab?
Where?
At the beach.
Yeah, but that crab's already been chewed up by seagulls and junk.
Yeah.
You find crab under rocks at the beach, little tiny ones, but best bet is to get a crab pot and put a big old turkey leg in it and put it down at the dock up in Anacortes. Well, you can't do that anymore. There would be these old timers there. There was a guy who had a hole in his throat called a laryngectomy. He had this little metal ring in his throat. And when he talked, he sounded like a robot. That guy was ancient. Yeah. You would have been like, whoa, dude.
Yeah.
And he was a trippy dude. And you know what he did?
What?
You get those a lot of the time because you smoke, like cigarettes. He would take a cigarette and hold it up to his hole in his throat. I'm not kidding. It was like, dude, chillax a little bit on the
Yeah.
smoking. But
Just chill, dude.
Yeah, but I don't know. That guy's long gone. But that guy looked like literally a used catcher's mitt. He was old and he was beat up. So, yeah. All right. Anyways, that was our little bit of banter.
A little banter.
Banter. All right. And here's our noodle. It is hot. Hopefully it is prepared well. We are low on forks. I thought the dishwasher was ready to be unloaded. It was not. So we will have to reuse this fork for the mukbang, which I think will be just fine. It smells like corn. It smells like corn, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, I don't know why it smells like corn, ladies and gentlemen.
I don't know either.
Yeah.
There's probably a good reason for that.
Probably.
And then we've got our liquonic add in.
That almost.
Come on, what's going on here? I'm squeezing it.
And it kind of looks like chocolate if it's squeezing.
Let go. Get out of there. Oh. It's like fish poop. Don't worry, fishes poop. I should have warmed this up before I attempted this. So I noticed a post on Reddit that had a clear liquid sachet, and the person was like, so is this supposed to be like orange at the bottom? Because that's really weird, and I'm all freaked out whether should I eat this? I hate those posts. Should I eat this? It's like, dude, it got cold. It's separated. It's going to be fine. As soon as you heat it up and give it a little bit of kneading, it'll work out okay. Okay, I think this is about all I can wrangle out of here. I will say, as far as Buldak sachets of liquid, this one's not super full. I've noticed that lately in a couple varieties. It's like, I think it was the Birria had one that wasn't like a super jam-packed sachet. Come on, ease on down the road, Wiz.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, like a car.
No, like the Wiz.
Yeah, or maybe Liz.
Do you remember the Wiz? Did you ever watch the Wiz?
No.
It's the Wizard of Oz, but it's all Motown. Yeah, I remember when that came out. I was kind of like, ugh. It was cool. I think Diana Ross and Michael Jackson were in it, so that was cool at the time when I was a kid. You guys get weird stuff now.
Yeah.
It smells primarily like corn, ladies and gentlemen. But we'll see.
To me, it smells like 67.
Oh, you mean 6'7"?
6'7".
Yeah, you and your freaking 6'7".
Yeah, even though it ended.
Okay, I'm really trying to combine this the best I can, and I think we're good. So what was funny is I noticed somebody posted, this has finally come to South Korea. It's like, this might have been a variety that was Thai only initially, because this is a Thai dish. Pad Pong. Alright, so we will add in all sorts of stuff and make it look pretty. You will have to see my thoughts on this on the mukbang. Miles' thoughts as well. So there's that. I have imitation crab. Why don't you get real crab? Because I already said it's like $10 a can.
Yeah.
There's that.
Like the crab from Strawberry Rock.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Got egg. Because I have to use egg or they'll go bad. There is an egg element, I guess, in this dish, but generally it's like you add it in and stir fry and you're good.
It's Buldak inside.
Yeah, a little bit of goopy,
A little bit.
goopachama.
Yeah, a little bit of Buldak.
Everybody's favorite lazy egg, ladies and gentlemen. Oh
Yeah.
boy. Then I got some coriander. Coriander.
Coriander.
Not cilantro, coriander.
Oh.
Even though you can call it both things. They call it cilantro here.
Sometimes.
But in the civilized world, it's referred to as coriander. Trash, please. That's steady. Wow.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I was thinking, are we making tree bulldog?
No.
That would be crazy if I would try tree bulldog.
You'd have to, though, because you have to try all the bulldog. Yeah, we still got the 2X and the bowl carbo. And we're gonna do a little piece of pepper thread, just because I'm in the mood. I think the Thais would be okay with that. I've met plenty of Thai people when I was in Thailand, and that was fun. Like that. Looks like spiders.
Spiders!
Alright, Rotato, do your thing. Well, we ran out of battery life on Rotato, but rest assured, we've got all the batteries charged, all the crack-a-lack and cracking for the mukbang, which you will see shortly after this video. This has been Hans, and this has been wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.